Welcome! The time has come for me to bleach my highlights again, so let's go! I'm using this intensive blonde lightener by SYOSS. And I will be washing my hair with the recommended SYOSS Salon Plex shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to mix half of those three, which are the cream dye, the developer and the blonde booster powder. The box dye contains a sample of this SYOSS Salon Plex conditioner that I love so much and a platinum hair mask, which is also great. This is the developer bottle and I am mixing half of it, and I am closing the bottle so I can keep the other half. This is the cream dye and I'm also mixing half of this tube. And I add half of the blonde booster powder. We mix all the ingredients until we have a smooth mixture. And we are ready to start applying the bleach. We are doing a voiceover today because I filmed this video at 2 AM and everyone around me was sleeping. This is how much roots I have grown since last time. I'll be using cardboard to help myself apply the bleach because I always make a mess with foils. Okay, so I've split my hair in the middle and I start from the top and I take a tiny section and I use a sharp comb to separate the highlights. I find it easier to get the highlights with the comb from the back of my head and go towards the front. I use a flat brush to apply the bleach. I start from the ends and I slowly go up. In the previous videos I took tiny highlights because I just wanted to blend my roots and my ends, but now I'm taking bigger highlights because I actually do wanna be blonder. When I'm done painting these highlights, I'll just flip them to the other side. It's important that you don't use metal to mix your hair dye because you may get a chemical reaction and ruin your hair dye. I don't paint over the already bleached hair. Or maybe if a piece has been bleached but I feel like it's not light enough, then I would paint over it too. But I would not paint over the blonde pieces of my hair because they will just burn to death. I am struggling a little with getting a clean section, but it's important that my sections are thin now because I want to have lots of highlights. You see, I skipped a really thin section. This will enhance the highlights effect. Because I don't want to bleach all of my hair now, I just want some highlights. I have so much roots grown now that I don't expect that my hair won't need a touch-up after this bleach session. I do my best to work as fast as I can because this is bleach and it shouldn't stay on my hair for hours. And you see that I'm first doing one side of my hair because that's easier for me to work. So I'm doing my best to be as quick as I can so that I don't have huge difference between the left and the right side of my hair. And also this time I started with my left side and next time I will start with my right side. If I'm going from the bottom to the top, I can do both sides of my hair at the same time and then proceed to the top of my head, but since I am starting from the top now and just tossing everything to the side, I am doing one side of my hair first and then the other side, so I need to be really quick. And if I feel like a lot of time has passed already, I will just stop with the highlights, let them process and wash my hair, and I will continue next time, as opposed to doing all my hair at once and having some pieces be super light and others not so much. I feel like I need to stop with the highlights on this side now. If I do more highlights on this side, I would have huge difference between the processing time of the first piece I covered and the last one, and I do not want that. So I just toss all my hair back in its place and I do the exact same thing on the other side. I always bleach some highlights on the inside of my hair because this hair sits in front of my shoulders most of the times and it can so ruin the whole blonde look. You can clean bleeding with wet wipes if you're quick enough. Back and I'm blonder. Don't mind my fancy makeup, I just filmed a makeup video and it will be up on my channel soon, or it already may be on my channel. I'm going to have to ruin my cool hairstyle to show you the full result, but first that's what I got with the hairstyle. There are still some dark spots here I may have to fix. Those are my highlights, and you see that my hair is definitely lighter. I lightened smaller pieces here and they are lighter, and I took bigger highlights here, and you see that my hair is a little yellowish, so I'm going to retouch it next week. On this side I started from here, and on this side I started just a little higher, but this is what I get for bleaching my hair at 2 AM. Those are the risks. It's okay because I'm going to touch it up next week. I'm going to touch up the front, and here where are the brassy parts, and maybe here. It's a little yellowish, but if I style it in a certain way, it's okay. Like if I make a braid, you cannot tell that there is a little yellow here, and so with the silk scarf, you couldn't tell that it's yellow. I'm saying I'm not sure if that's a little yellow or if that's too cool. Anyway, still I am happy with the result. It doesn't work from the first time every time, so I am touching up my hair again next week. You see that when I make any hairstyle, you cannot tell that it's a little yellow with the scarf. And also if I make a braid, you still won't be able to see that my hair is yellowish in places. So yeah. We'll have another highlights video soon. And once I am blonde enough, I want to play with some colorful hair toners. I can't wait for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, that will help my video reach more people. And if you want to see more beauty and lifestyle videos from me, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you receive a notification the next time I upload a new video. But why wait for the next time? Just go and watch any of my other videos now. And I will see you soon. Bye!